Today, we may no longer ignore the problem of excessive use of plastic of petroleum origin and the waste that it generates. Despite all our efforts, our planet is already saturated with rubbish that will sometimes take thousands of years to disappear.
It isn't anymore possible to seem alarmed in front of images of the plastic continent or when confronted with alarming reports from scientists. Cosmetic greenwashing has since long lived, as well as empty rhetoric speeches on the promises to respect the environment.
In 1992, FUTERRO developed and then produced a new biopolymer. It's obtained from the fermentation of materials of renewable plant origin. Therefore, this biopolymer doesn't come from petroleum products, but from plants, such as wheat, beet, corn, or sugarcane, from which sugar is extracted and then transformed into lactic acid. Then, thanks to a polymerization process of this lactic acid, it's transformed into a biopolymer called Renew. Its strength lies in its intrinsic properties, but also in its capacities to replace traditional plastic in all the fields where it's usually used: wrapping films, packaging, trays, bottles, electronic equipment, toys, carpets, clothing, and many more.
With a low carbon footprint, FUTERRO is your partner for your ecological transition.
Renew can be biodegradable in specific conditions, and above all, it's 100% recyclable after use in order to make another new virgin biopolymer which will have the exact same properties as in its first use.
Thanks to its recycling solution Lupla, FUTERRO is today the only company that can control the whole branch from production to recycling. 100% biorenewable plastic is now reality.
By its origin, its properties, and especially its perfect management of its end of life, Renew is a revolution. And thanks to its production capacity of 100,000 tons a year, FUTERRO is at the head of this industrial technology. By selecting solutions developed by FUTERRO as a new ecological alternative, you commit yourself to our environment, our planet, and our common future. FUTERRO, green by design.